Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust ringtone volume on OnePlus Open 5G. To adjust it, first go to Settings. Then go to Sounds and Vibration. And now see if you can adjust the slider. If you cannot, then find this slider on the side of your device. And now you can set it to up to make the phone muted, silent. You can set it to center, that will the phone will vibrate but won't have any sound on ringtone, and you can slide it down to enable ring mode. And ring mode will deliver sounds and vibration. So when it's in ring mode, now you can adjust the slider. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.